And the drink we're about to make is called Sloppy Joe's Cocktail. And this is one of a few different versions out there. First thing I did is put some water and ice in a glass, in a martini glass. We're going to be serving it up, so you want to let that chill while you're making your drink. All right, put our ice in the mixing glass and measure out 3/4 of an ounce of brandy. And follow that up with 1/4 of a teaspoon of triple sec. And we'll add 3/4 of an ounce of port. And next we'll add 3/4 of an ounce of pineapple juice. And finally, 1/4 of a teaspoon of grenadine. All right, let's get our shaker here and go ahead and shake it up. Get it nice and cold. And dump out your ice water. Strainer. And pour it in. And that is Sloppy Joe's Cocktail. Bottoms up.